Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Langston to 6 miles southwest of Meridian, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Long impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Texas include Stillwater, Cushing, Chandler, Perkins, Stroud, Langston, Yale, Kearney, Tryon, Rebecca, Coyle, Kendrick, Meridian, Fallis, Avery, Bengals, and Parkland. A tornado watch remains in effect for one area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. On Joe